Angelina back with another video. And today I'm here with the unicorn loving nobody. Hi guys! And today from the title we will be showing you
Title up there.
slime two squishies, sorry.
What if you put in the title slime instead of squishies? They're gonna be so disappointed.
Wow. But I did that by accident. So, because they're like squishy slime SS. So, I'll be showing you two squishies. I'm going to show you the big one first. My cousin has this one, but in red.
Yeah, and it has different. And mine has different sprinkles. Mine has
took them
colored
out.
sprinkles.
I took mine out.
Why?
Because I didn't want them. I glued them on a piece of paper, then I lost them.
Bruh.
No, my mom put them in the wash.
Wash.
I was in my clothes. So, anyways, it has this hole. Because that's where the
Oh yeah, the
is.
keychain thing.
Yeah. Anyways, it's just like, hers is harder than mine.
Yes, it is.
Mine is softer, and when
I
you
want
do
to take my chain out, but like, I don't want to ruin it.
and then it's like this. And then this is just like how hers is. It's like dough.
It smells kind of doughy, right?
Yeah.
It smells kind of like peanut butter dough.
Yeah. So the next,
No, not peanut butter, butter dough.
yeah.
So
The
wrong.
next squishy I'll be showing you is a very small one. It's a cupcake with a face on it. I just got it on Thursday from my friend, and it has cute cherry on top. It has this cute little keychain, small keychain, I guess, or for you. I can see that, girl. And then it's just yellow for the other one. Yeah, that's really small. But let's see which one's more slow right here. I would
The
say
little one.
the cupcake would.
Yeah. It looks more like a smoothie than a cupcake because this bottom part is long. See, the yellow part is long. So it looks more like a smoothie.
I know. But it's big. So chubby. Yeah. But if we were playing King Court and I would just pick out of random and then it was both of
What's
these.
King Core? Explain to
King
us.
Court?
What's that?
It's when you take one of your toys or something, or like squishies, or like
Items.
Shopkins, or
When you take some
items, and then you pick randomly two, and then
Without looking?
and then you just see which one you like better, or if it's squishies, squishies.
Oh, cool.
And see which one's more polarizing. But if you think another one's cute.
So that's King Court. You learned something new today.
Some
Yay!
people already do King Court.
Oh, well, I'm one of those people that didn't know.
So, yeah. That was all for
Now.
now. I want to show you another squishy, but that's my mother. So, no. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.